In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a relation or property to any page in Anytype. If you're organizing your workspace and want your pages to hold more useful information, adding relations is one of the easiest ways to do it. Relations in Anytype act like properties that help you structure your content, track details, and make pages more organized and searchable. To begin, open Anytype and go to the page where you want to add the new relation. This can be any page you're currently working on. Once you're there, look directly underneath the page title. In that top section, you'll find the area where relations are displayed. Next, click on the section labeled Add Relation. Depending on your layout, you may also see a small plus icon in the same area, and clicking that will do the same thing. This is where you start adding a property to the page. After that, type the name of the property you want into the search bar. For example, you might enter something like date, status, or tag, depending on the kind of information you want to store. This search helps you quickly find an existing relation if you've already created one before. Once you've entered the name, look at the drop-down menu that appears. If the relation already exists, simply select it from the list. If it doesn't exist yet, click Create New Relation. This is useful when you're building out a new system and need a custom property that matches the way you work. If you're creating a new relation, the next step is to choose its data type. This is important because the data type determines what kind of value the relation can hold. You might choose text for written information, number for quantities or counts, select option for predefined choices, or object if you want to link to another item in Anytype. Choosing the right type from the start makes your pages much easier to manage later. Once the relation has been added, click on the empty space next to the new relation name and enter the value for that page. This is where you fill in the actual information, such as a specific date, a status label, a tag, or any other value that fits the relation you just added. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can add relations to your pages and make your Anytype workspace much more organized. As you continue using them consistently, your pages will become easier to sort, understand, and manage over time.